Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 4. How are you boys? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your work and as well as your vacations. We are doing revision class 4 and we have done revision of time topic. Only one word problem is remaining to revise. So let's start our work. I have told you that there are two formats of time. One is 12-hour format, that is usually our wall clock, and the other is 24-hour format. In 24-hour format, there is no AM and no PM. In 12-hour format, there is AM and PM. AM means ante-meridiem and PMs mean post-meridiem. So let's start our word problem. On page number 133, boys, there is the first word problem that we have to solve. This is an Airbus left Karachi at 18 hours 40 minutes. Okay, it means it is a 24-hour format. So, and it arrived at Peshawar 2 whole 1 by 2 hours. It means 2 hours and half hour. 1 by 2 means half. And we can also say 2 hours and 30 minutes later. Okay. At what time did it arrive at Peshawar? We have to find out at what time it arrived at Peshawar. It left Karachi at 18 hours 40 minutes and after traveling 2 hours 30 minutes, it arrived Peshawar. So what the time will be? You can see as it is 18 hours. 18 plus 2 is 20 hours. But this is 40 minutes and this is 30 minutes. So when we add 40 and 30, it will be 70 minutes. And we all know 60 minutes make 1 hour. So it will be 21 hours and 20 minutes. Sorry, 10 minutes. Let's do it as a solution. So boys, open your notebook. Write CW. Today is Tuesday, 19th January 2021. Our topic is measurement, revision, page number 133. We are doing word problem and you can see I have written the word problem over here. An Airbus left Karachi at 18 hours 40 minutes, okay, and arrived at Peshawar 2 hours and a half. This is 1 by 2 means half. One portion from 2. Letters. At what time did it arrive at Peshawar? So let's start our solution wise. We will write SOL for solution and our first statement will be an Airbus left Karachi at 18 hours and 40 minutes. Okay. Our next statement will be it traveled. How much it traveled? It traveled for 2 full hours and this is 1 by 2. Okay. So it means 2 hours and we can write over here 1 over 2 hour equals to 30 minutes. Okay. We can write it over here. So now I can write 2 hours and 30 minutes. So now what time did it arrive at Peshawar? It arrived at Peshawar equals to 18 hours 40 minutes plus 2 hours 30 minutes. And here you can see boys, we will do our addition over here. 18 hours and here 40 minutes. 2 hours and 30 minutes. 0 under 0, 3 under 4, 2 under 8, there is nothing. We have to add it. Here you can see 0 plus 0 is 0 and 4 plus 3 is 7. Can I write 7 over here? 70 minutes. Okay. It it will be 70 minutes. It is the simple addition that we are doing. 8 plus 2 is 10, 0, 1 carry, and 1 plus 1 is 2. But now we know that 70 minutes equals to 1 hour and 10 minutes. So what we will do, 20 hours 70 minute will be, what it will be? It will be 20 hours, and now I can write in place of 70 minute plus 1 hour 10 minutes, and 20 plus 1 is 21 hours 10 minutes. Okay, here you can see. So we can write in our answer of the word problem, the air bus arrived at PESHAWAR Peshawar at 21 hour 10 minutes. Okay,